So when I went to wash the car, they said the tire pressure was low. I mean, look at the size of that. She came in. Gonna test it out. See if she gets some sweet video.
Where's my shoe?
All right, so I don't know. Got both the brand new batteries from Battery Express. $95 for each one, not bad. I gotta get this battery in here somehow. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna get a bungee. Oh, please don't shoot back at me. That would not be good. Stand on the tire of the truck. Oh, it's the negative cable. Hello. Hey, trying to install the batteries in the truck. Remember they died.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot.
There's my brush. I can feel it. Oh, don't call the... I do that all the time with the stupid watch. Was it this guy? Probably so. Let me take this watch off. Never work on a car with a watch. You scratch the crap out of it. And I always do. Alright. No way. I found it. There. That should be good. Okay. Now we can put our battery distribution block on top back on. Whatever it's called. Okay. Don't forget our power source for the HIDs. Bent them a little bit. No! What? Yeah, where's he at? Come find him. What were you eating, buddy?
Cheetos.
Really?
What is that?
It's a camera. It's a GoPro.
I saw it.
You ever seen one?
No.
Oh.
I saw one on someone's channel. I've never seen it before.
Oh, really? It'll be tight. It just might work.
Well, I can't.
Look at that. Did you go inside? Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
where are y'all at?
I'm working on the truck. All right, so that battery looks to be installed. You know, let's move on. You're fine, Miller, I promise, buddy. He'll show up.
Where's Miller at?
I don't know. But he might have went to Sloan's. This one's gonna be easy. Plop this one in, like so. Maybe you can do it without climbing on the tire. All right. There we go. Oh yeah, she ain't going nowhere. Not as bad corroded as the other side, but it does have a slight bit of corrosion. Go ahead and now get her nice and snug. That's it. That didn't take too long. See if she cranked after I wash my hands. Oh yeah. That wasn't too bad. Pretty simple. All right, and then next, I gotta get the vet out. We're gonna wash it. The great part about keeping this thing in the garage all the time. I'm listening to carnauba wax on it. I don't know, 2, maybe 3 years ago, and it still needs. So when I went to wash the car, they said the tire pressure was low. I heard a noise of it hissing out after I filled it up. I've never seen something this large stuck in a tire. I mean, look at the size of that. What do you think it is?
I don't know. It broke.
Hold this, let me pull it out.
Okay.
If it will even come straight out.
What is it?
I don't understand how that could get lodged in there. crazy.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's from a car. Yep, it's from a car. Definitely
What
from
kind
a
of car
car.
though?
I don't know.
There, done. That was easy to clean out. Think it'll hold it air? Yeah, me. The whole time. There we go.
Good job.
Thanks, Miller, for your help.
I'm gonna show Mommy what came from the tire of the Corvette.